What do you do with your significant other that isn't normal? 1. When my ex and I got into dumb arguments or debates, we'd send it to counsel for review. There was no counsel. There would be no review. It was our way of shelving an argument that would never have a winner. Occasionally, we'd ask each other if we heard back from counsel, like at my uncle's funeral while reaching for a water bottle, in the middle of the desert, and during heated arguments. Now, whenever we try to hold hands, there's always a moment of hesitation.